Are you a teacher or student tired of spending countless hours brainstorming, scripting, and editing video content? Imagine a world where much of this process is automated, freeing up your valuable time. That world is here, thanks to ChatGPT and powerful AI video tools. Creating engaging educational videos can be incredibly time-consuming. But what if you could streamline this entire process? We're talking about leveraging artificial intelligence to make video production more efficient and accessible for everyone. ChatGPT and AI video tools are revolutionizing how we approach content creation. They offer a pathway to produce high-quality videos with significantly less effort. Get ready to dive into the future of educational content. Automating your video production is simpler than you think. It starts with intelligent script generation and moves through careful editing to seamless video creation. This structured approach ensures quality and efficiency. First, craft engaging prompts for ChatGPT to generate unique scripts. Tools like BuzzSumo or Google Trends can help you find popular video ideas. Next, proofread and edit your script, checking for uniqueness with tools like Originality.ai. Finally, use an AI video tool like Fleeky to transform your script into a stunning video. While ChatGPT is powerful, it's not perfect. To get the best results, you need to be specific with your prompts. Ask ChatGPT to simplify complex topics or reword text for better appeal. To add a unique touch, prompt ChatGPT with questions like, "What's something not many people know about?" Or, "What's a common misconception with?" Remember, use AI responses as a starting point. Always infuse your own voice and style into the final script. One major concern with AI-generated content is originality. ChatGPT doesn't guarantee unique content, so plagiarism checks are crucial. Use tools like Originality.ai or Copyscape to ensure your script is free from copied material. Beyond uniqueness, proofread for flow, grammar, and spelling errors. Tools like Grammarly can help polish your script. Your unique voice should always shine through, making your content authentic and engaging. Congratulations, your script is ready. Now let's turn it into a video using Fleeky, a leading AI video generator. Fleeky makes the conversion process incredibly straightforward and intuitive. Open Fleeky, select New File, and choose Video. Paste your polished script, and Fleeky will automatically suggest media. You can select an AI voice or even use voice cloning to match your brand. Customize subtitles, fonts, and add background music. Preview your creation, then export your high-quality video. While AI tools are fantastic, remember that YouTube has strict guidelines. These policies cover everything from spam and low-quality content to monetization. Adhering to them is vital for your channel's success. Always review YouTube's policies carefully. Your audience is your top priority, so focus on creating authentic, high-quality content that provides value. Following these rules helps build a loyal audience and avoids potential issues. You now have the ultimate guide to using ChatGPT and AI video tools for content creation. This powerful combination makes producing high-quality videos easier than ever before. Remember, AI automates the process, but your creativity and unique voice remain essential. Don't just watch, start creating. Use ChatGPT to generate your script, proof check it with tools like Originality.ai, and then bring it to life with Fleeky. For an extra touch, explore Canva templates for eye-catching thumbnails. Click the link in the description to try these tools today and revolutionize your educational content.